Hello everybody and welcome to this video where we're going to be talking about corporate action automation for workflows for your sub accounts, which is actually one of our tools that's going to help you automate actions directly from your workflow for your corporate account. So let me show you how to set it up. Inside your sub account, you go at the app marketplace. You search for the app, Copper, install, allow and install. You have two information required, the I key and the user email. But before we go any further though, you have a smart queue here. You can go on and it will show you how to get those information. But let's switch to our Copper account to get them. Inside the platform, you come here at the settings, at integrations, you go at API keys, generate API key, and you have the API key. Paste. Here you just type the email address that you use to log in. You're going to continue. You choose the plan and you confirm. Of course, I'm not going to confirm because we're going to be charged, but that's pretty much it, guys. Once you confirm, you go on complete installation and you're ready to go. You have uninstall, which means that the tool is already connected to your Copper account, and you guys are now able to execute actions directly from your workflow for your Copper account. So, guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who's also available 24/7 to answer to your inquiries. Thank you for watching the video, guys.